Run, Sissy, run.
Mommy, I want to.
Okay, run over here, run over here. Run, Sissy, run.
Mommy,
Run.
I want.
Run over here, baby.
I want to. Mommy, I want to.
Oh, run, baby, run.
Mommy, I want to.
Okay, run. Go run. Go, Sissy, go. Go get brother.
Oh.
She's not doing it anymore. Can you dance? Can you dance? Guys, can you dance? Noah, Emily, can you dance for Mama? Dance. Oh, yeah. Break down. Break
Mommy
down.
won.
Okay, run. Noah doesn't want to dance. Noah, can you tell me a story?
What pattern I want?
Aww.
Mommy, they won.
Okay, run.
Baby, come on. Mommy,
Brother's asking you to go get him. Go get him.
baby, come on.
Go get brother.
They're chasing me. Baby, they're chasing me.
Chase him. Go chase him. Come on, go get him.
No. They're gonna chase me. Please. They're chasing me. Baby, they're chasing me.
Noah, maybe she doesn't want to do that right now.
Baby, they're chasing me. Please, baby.
Emmy's chase brother. Chase brother. Noah, maybe you can chase Sissy.
Okay.
Run, Sissy, run.
No.
Oh, I don't think Sissy likes that anymore.
No.
Come over here.
What? No. Baby, I got you now. I got you. No.
You two are hilarious. Oh my goodness. Alrighty.
Mommy, one.
Okay, run.
Baby, that touched me. No. Baby, that touched me. No.
Emmy's, be gentle. You're not going to get brother spanks.
No. Jump.
All right, stop, Sissy. Brother's asking you to stop.
Stop, baby.
Noah, just go get the spoon from her, honey. No, Sissy.
Thanks.
Noah, go give it to Daddy.
Okay.
Hi, monster. Can you dance for Mama? No dancing. Say bye-bye.